Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. Okay, first on our phone we need to open up the settings, go into connections and connect into Wi-Fi, then scroll down, go into software update and click on download and install. It is necessary because without this whole process, we wouldn't be able to unlock the bootloader. Now go into About Phone, go into Software Information, and tap on the build number a few times in a row until you see that you are a developer. Then go back, scroll down, find Developer Options, and you need to enable the OEM unlocking. Click on Enable. Okay. Now we can power off our device, so hold the power button and click on power off. Our bootloader hasn't been fully unlocked yet, but we'll do it in a second. In the meantime, let's download a few things. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info, then go into download and type Odin. Download this version 3.14.4. Click on download, and also you need to download Samsung drivers. Download this one, hit the button and wait until everything gets installed. Then visit the mega page, the link will be in the description of this video. Go into main folder, in here you can find the custom recovery, and we have 4 files as you take a look. We have the orange fox, which is another recovery mode, a new recovery, and it's with vbmeta.tar file. Thanks to that, our recovery mode won't delete after the reboot, so that's the version you should download. Down below we also have the orange fox, but without this file. So for example, after rebooting, the recovery mode and the recovery will be deleted. So if you want to try it on your own and, for example, play with it, you can download it. And down below we have another recovery, it's the TWRP. And in this video we are going to install this version, this recovery, and we also need to download the vbmeta file. So right click on it, click on download, and same thing with the vbmeta, download and standard download. Okay. Now let's install the Odin and Samsung drivers. Go into downloads. As you can see, in here we have the Samsung USB driver and the Odin. We need to extract those files, so right click on it. You can use the WinRAR, click on extract to, or use the extract all function and then click on extract. Same thing with the Odin. If you have extracted, find Samsung drivers, launch it. Now we need to install it. Click on next, next, and install. Also now, in the meantime, on our phone we need to unlock the bootloader. We have to connect our phone into our computer using USB-C cable. But before you connect it, we need to do specific steps. We need to hold both volume keys at the same time. While we are holding them, we need to insert the cable. Don't release volume keys, keep holding them until the menu appears. So hold both volume keys, insert cable and keep holding. Okay, now hold volume up. And click volume up to unlock the bootloader. Now everything will be deleted from our device because the phone will perform a factory reset. So we need to wait now until it turns on. We also have to go through the setup process. It may take a little bit. Okay, we can see that the bootloader is unlocked. We can unplug the cable for now. Okay, and just like I'm saying, we need to wait now until our phone turns on and until we get this until we get to the setup process. So I'll see you in a second once it appears. Okay, the phone has finally turned on. Also, the Samsung drivers has been installed. Now I highly recommend restarting your computer so everything will be installed fully and properly. So if you want to make sure that everything goes fine, restart your computer. Now let's go quickly through the setup process. Click on next, agree, skip, next, more, accept, skip. Basically we need to skip everything. So let's rush through the setup process. Skip, agree, next, finish. Okay, and let's connect into Wi-Fi once again. Settings, connections, Wi-Fi, select your available network, type password to it, connect, go back, software update, download and install. Okay. About phone, software information, tap on the build number, developer options, and we can see that the OEM unlocking feature is enabled, but it's like unavailable. That's the exact thing that we wanted to achieve. It needs to look exactly like that. Okay, now we need to power off our device because we have to turn it on in the download mode. Now we can also launch the Odin. Click on OK. And now we'll have to load some files. So first select AP, go into downloads, and in here select the TWRP, click on open. Now select user data and select vbmeta. Click on open, go into options and select those two things. And now let's turn on our phone in download mode. So again, hold both volume keys at the same time and insert the cable, just like before. Okay, now click on volume up once. We are in the download mode. We can also see that in the Odin app, we can see those numbers. It means that our phone is properly connected and it's recognized by the app and our computer. So now click on start. Okay, when it says pass, it means that everything went successfully. Now to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time. When the screen turns off, quickly switch the combination, start holding power button and volume up button, and when you see a Samsung logo, release the finger from the power button but keep holding volume up. So let me grab the phone in a comfort way, start holding both buttons, volume down and power. Now quickly switch. Okay. Now I think that we can release the finger from power button. Okay, as you can see, it loads. We have our new recovery. In here you can install the software, create a backup, restore data, wipe the data if you're interested. As you take a look, everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.